Welcome back. Carie Health was created to simplify healthcare delivery. It is a mobile healthcare solution that allows members to connect with a network of US-based certified doctors 24/7. And with me to talk more about Carie Health is the CEO, Ian Parker. Welcome, Ian.
Thank you very much. Thank
Yeah,
you for
good
having
to
me
have
back.
you. So
Good
it's been a
speaking.
while since we talked. The
Yes,
world has changed since the last time, and it's been a
yes.
challenging year, no doubt about it, for so many people. How has Carie Health adjusted to this pandemic?
We've, as you said, it's been a very challenging year. I think what's defined us is our ability to find the opportunities in in those challenges. We have made a number of adjustments. I've been asked a number of times, has our business changed? And the answer is no. The world around us has changed, and our business model has evolved with it. Um, just to eliminate any sort of confusion out there, on our ticker, it still says Emerald Organic Products. Emerald Organic Products has changed its name to Carie Health to better reflect the business itself. Um, that has officially been done, and should be reflected on our ticker in the near future here. Um, One of the things that we saw early on, especially during the initial phases of this crisis, was that we needed to focus on virtual care. We always aspired to be an overall health and wellness company, and we felt that virtual care and digital pharmacy were going to be key key parts of the solution to this crisis, and something that was going to be that was going to trend forward in the future, even after the crisis. So we focused on those things, and that's how we evolved the business during the crisis.
Well, I can only imagine that the digital healthcare stuff has just soared for you during this, because that was really all a lot of people had. Now, let's get into the nitty gritty. Explain everything you do. Is there telemedicine, delivery, pharmacy? Like, just tell me everything that you're doing.
We built an ecosystem that addresses the continuum of care. So when you come into the digital ecosystem, you have virtual care, you have digital pharmacy. We've also wrapped that with some unique fintech. We've done the idea here was to make sure that when you come into the ecosystem, you don't just come in for what you need at that moment in time and then have to find whatever else it is you need on the continuum of care somewhere else. You find everything you need within the ecosystem. The other point I would make is that we didn't just look at it from a patient standpoint. We looked at it from a doctor and a pharmacist standpoint as well.
Okay, so walk me through this. So let's say I have a skin issue or something, and I'm a member, right? So is there a cost to be a member, and how much is that?
Yes, so there is that we have a membership plan that goes through Carie Global. That comes at a for unlimited telehealth visits and pharmaceutical discounts. That comes at $25 per patient, and there is a family plan as well at around $35 or so. Those are the subscription based plans. Then you also have employer sponsored plans, those type of things that we may be involved in as well.
Okay, well, that's what I was going to ask. So say they make a diagnosis and I need a, cream or a pill or something like that. So then they can work directly with the pharmacy part and place that order.
Correct.
So it's all kind of like you mentioned ecosystem. So it's on
It's an
ecosystem,
ecosystem.
healthcare
That's right.
ecosystem.
Seamless to the patient, right? We want your journey to be seamless. We don't want you to have have to go out and search and figure out how to get the next part of the care. That's the continuum of care that we're talking about. The episodic part is there's a lot of companies addressing sort of from an episodic standpoint. That's eventually those companies will fall away from the pack, right? What's going to separate the companies that have staying power from the rest of the pack are the ones that actually address this continuum of care.
Thank you so much, Ian. It is great to hear about this and very exciting. And it's an industry that's really been interesting to watch during the pandemic, and feels like there's been a game-changing moment during this for digital healthcare.
There definitely has. It's definitely a paradigm shift, and we look forward to coming back and sharing more of the developments.
Great. Look forward to it. Thank you, Ian.
Thank you.